All right, good morning. We are coming at you from camp here. We are going to be going into Mexico today. It's just a short ride from our camp, I think about 25 miles. It's just a small border town, Los Algodones. We're going to go down and take a poke around, maybe possibly get some dental work, just a teeth cleaning and lunch and whatever else trouble we can get into. We got a beautiful day on our hands. It is supposed to be, I think, 75 degrees. It was only about a low of 50 last night. So things are warming up. I'm just really enjoying this spot here. Okay, we are making our way through the farm fields here. These are all date palms here. Harvest the dates. This is the very small town of Winter Haven, California. American Canal. Making our way to the Mexico border here. This is actually California, right? Yeah. I always forget. I think we're in Arizona, but this is California crossing into Mexico. Los Algodones. Interesting seeing all the license plates here. Lots of Alberta, Canada. We don't really see any Arizona plates. It's all, what do we got? Washington over here. We got an Idaho up ahead. Oregon. This is the tourist spot. We just want some tacos and what else? Drugs. Tacos and drugs. And a little bit of a line here at the parking. Got the bikes locked up in the parking lot. Getting geared up to go get some tacos. Get caught up in that. Just like that, we're in. He did look through my backpack. Because I'm shady. They just let Kelly walk right by. Alright, we're looking for tacos. Nice little Honda 125. They should sell these in the States. This is where I got my teeth cleaned here. It was $30. I feel like they did a good job. It was actually by a dentist, not an assistant. Smile for life. We wandered around for a short time and found our taco truck, or taco cart, right up here. Well, we found our favorite taco cart here, although it's probably, I think, the only taco cart we've been to. Carne asada tacos, a little bit of beans, Mexican Coke. Another sweet little 150 bento. It's a nice little town park here. And there's a line of taco trucks right next to it. Good place to grab a taco and have a seat in the park. All right, we went through the border check, no problem. Didn't even check my bag, just asked me what I had, so we're free and clear. Bikes are safe and sound here. She ended up charging us just $6 for the 2 bikes instead of $6 each. That was nice. Buy one, get one free. Yeah, we take up one spot. That was nice. She said, I'm not supposed to do this, but I said, thank you. All-day event. I think the standing in line is what got me. But here we are, home sweet home. Yeah, buddy. Well, here we are, another beautiful day in camp. I am working on making my first loaf of bread in the Dutch oven here. So I've got some charcoal going. Bread is in the oven. Let's check it out. Okay, it is a little breezy today. The wind's been kind of coming in gusts, so to protect the oven from the wind here, I've got it set up in this little barrier section here, just keeping an eye on things. And I've got my loaf of bread in there. Made that dough up this morning. Look at that. Smells good. Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Definitely could have gotten away with using a lot less coals. But I am just learning, so yeah, I'm gonna call that done. Kind of a little soft. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to put some coals around the bottom outside there. Once the top is plenty hot. A little heat around there. Okay, let's get this bread out of here. Oh yeah, a little bit of steam came out. Yeah, I'm gonna call that good. The bread turned out okay. This is my very first attempt at making bread in the Dutch oven. Very little experience with the Dutch oven, and I feel like I could have cooked it a little longer. It's good, it's nice and springy, but it's a little doughy as well. So I feel like that it could just cook overall longer. I saw the browning and thought that it was getting a little too crusty, but it's actually quite soft. So I could have gone probably a good another 20 minutes at that heat there. So I sliced some up and actually toasted it, and that helped with the doughiness. It's actually very good. All right, so next attempt I think is just a matter of dialing in the heat on the Dutch oven and the cook time. Well, thanks for being here, everyone. I appreciate you hanging out in this video. Things are starting to warm up here in the desert, so we're going to be thinking about probably moving on. Things are starting to warm up in a lot of the lower elevations, and we should be seeing temps in the low to mid 80s in the next couple weeks, and then it usually just warms up from there. Although in a lot of the higher elevations we're getting late snowstorms, so we're trying to just plan accordingly. Looking at our summer plans, we don't have a whole lot formulated. Kelly and I are going to try to do another motorcycle trip, this time through the whole state of Oregon. It should be a good week to 2 week long trip on the bikes, camping off the bikes, going through the whole state of Oregon, exploring. So that should be exciting. We're looking forward to that, and you know, staying put at each camp. prior to that, where we are currently, to try to just save up money. It really helps being able to stay put. So that time is approaching, though, where I need to start looking at the maps and planning out a route to get us up into the Northwest again this summer, and watching weather and all of that. So yeah, lots more to come. Appreciate you guys joining again, and hope you're doing well out there. We'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.